G.H. Phipps began construction on a new facility for the Denver Museum of Nature and Science in June of 2011. The museum invited local TV stations out to the site, and this excavator was to be the backdrop of their video footage. A groundbreaking picture using the latest high-tech shovel. Wash on Wheels got a call to deep clean this large excavator on site. The excavator wasn't in bad shape compared to other heavy equipment we've pressure washed, but it did need some heavy-duty degreaser, and our special soap removed a lot of oxidation and brought a bright shine back to the paint. This excavator might have gotten down and dirty digging holes, but Wash on Wheels pressure washed it into a sparkling star ready for the red carpet. When we send a pressure washing truck with a 3-man crew, you get an experienced team that works efficiently. With 2 hot water machines per truck, you get great value for your money. And our EPA water recovery is included at no extra charge. The new education and collections facility will be a 5-level eco-friendly structure with over 100,000 square feet of new space for the museum. Galleries, interactive science labs, and studios will take up the 3 floors above ground level. The 2 levels below ground will house research and preservation space for artifacts and fossils. The new facility will open in 2014. More information on the new education and collections facility is on the Denver Museum of Nature and Sciences webpage. To get your heavy equipment pressure washed and degreased by one of our experienced crews,